This 2024 KZ Connect 262 RLK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 6, TV antenna, slide-out, awning, air conditioning, Skylight, LP detector, water heater, microwave, smoke detector, stove top burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.